What's going on? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDeniedMe.com, back with another one. What we have right here is the Ninja Sizzle. This is what the box looks like. It's an indoor grill and griddle. If you guys are interested in this, hit the link in the description box below. They do also have it at maybe a local grocery store, but it doesn't have all the pieces that this one has in order to do the grilling and the griddling at the same time, or I guess not at the same time, but interchangeable plates. So yeah, this thing gets up to 500 degrees, has a non-stick surface on both the grill and the griddle plate. The top is removable. The grease trap and everything is built in. I'll show you all that real quick. Let me toss this to the side. This is the grill itself. Nice little size. Has perforated holes on the top so you can let the steam out, but also keep it closed. That way grease don't be popping all over the place. Has about a 3-inch core. I think it does use quite a bit of power because again, it goes up to like 500 degrees. So let me go ahead and get started. You do need to preheat it for like 7 minutes. So yeah, before I crank it on though, this is the little top. It is, they advertise, you know, hey, the top is removable so you can throw this in the dishwasher. And this is what I mean by it's perforated. You can see through it a little bit, even reflective. You can see the tripod in the back there. So yeah, there it is. Little grill plate, little handle. And also we have the griddle plate, again, non-stick surface. And then let me see what I did with the grill plate, because I actually cooked with this the other day and then just put it up. It also came with a little book, some recipes in here, quick start guide, tells you the oils and stuff. Basically you want to have some high heat oils and not, I don't know if you really want to put butter on here, anything that's going to burn up too quick. So high resistance heat oils and stuff like that would be good. So they do recommend such as like olive oil, maybe not, not olive oil, but like avocado oil and stuff like that. This is also the grill plate. I ain't gonna take it out all the way, but I'll show y'all. There it is. By the way, the surface on here is about 14 inches, 14 by maybe 16 or something like that. The plate, interchangeable. And also the grease trap right there, it's built in one piece. Some of them you scrape the grease or whatever, put it into the hole, and the grease trap is in a whole separate tray. This one is not like that, so you only got one thing to clean, you know? So I do like that part about it. And while I was talking, I should have been preheating. So let me set this thing up to about 300 degrees right now just to get the preheat settings going. Last time, this is what I made. Al pastor style seasoned ground pork. Very, very good. One packet of this is 16 ounces. You can make about 4 little small street style tacos. That's what we're gonna be whipping it up with, or putting these on. My bad, my head is cut off, but I guess the highlight is about the grill. So if my head is cut off, but y'all can see the grill, good to go, right? But since I made the al pastor last time in a previous video, today we're gonna be making this, some taco style seasoned ground chicken, you feel me? Also, this chicken has 14 grams of protein, whereas the al pastor has, where is it at, 10. Y'all gotta trust me, I probably, unless yeah, you can see it good enough. There it is, so there's that. And let me point it out so y'all can find it just a little bit faster. There it is, 14 grams of protein right here. So I am all about the protein. Y'all see me, I'm trying to get big. Y'all might've seen a little protein powder when I just opened that up real quick. So yeah, we're gonna be making that today. Let me put this one in the fridge, and I'll check back with you guys in just a moment after this thing is preheating for 7 minutes. All right, so I think it's been about 7 minutes. So let's go ahead and again, bust this open and lift this lid. I had it preheating at about 300 degrees and dropped it down to probably about 275. So let's see if I can open this without having to get a knife like I did in the last joint. This is the perfect corner and I can't get it again. No, there it is. Nah, look at that, got me again. Y'all see that? I done opened it up and it's still plastic right there. Ain't even to the meat yet. See, it just wants me to have to get a knife to get into it. So let's go ahead and grab that. And by knife, I meant scissors. That's what I really meant. There we go. Let's smell it. Let's smell it together. All right, smells good. Not better than that al pastor, but it do smell good though. So let's smack this on here. And there you go. You hear that bad boy sizzling, don't you? Already. Oh, now I'm really smelling it. As soon as it hit that grill, all the smells is really popping out now. Let's go ahead and break it down, no? Let me turn it down just a little bit to about 225. And if it's anything like that Al Pastor, I ain't need to add no oil or nothing to it. It's gonna have its own oils. There we go. Getting our sizzle on the Ninja Sizzle. Again, real quick, this is what the box is looking like. Link is gonna be in the description. I'll find one for y'all. You get the grill and the grill plate and the griddle plate as well. What I'm whipping up this on right now is the griddle plate, as y'all seen. And let's go ahead and get a little close up real quick. Let's flip that over. Again. This is the interface of it. There is no digital screen. It's literally just the dial by itself and some recommended temperature settings and the little preheat thing right there telling you to crank it up for about 7 minutes before you get started. So yeah, I had it at the 300, dropped it down. Let's crank it back up just a little bit. Again, it said should be cooking for about maybe like 11 to 12 minutes or so. So I'll check back with y'all in a moment. Oh, also, since they say it's smokeless, but the holes can come out, let's see if y'all see any smoke coming up out of there. It did for the last joint, but for this one, I ain't seeing no smoke come out. So is this a true advertisement in this one? Is it really smokeless? I seen smoke in the last one, but as long as you don't make the smoke detector go off, I'm good either way. But y'all do see the smoke right there. Y'all see it on the back end. Well, now that I'm seeing it right here for a fact, I'm sure it'll come out now, right? Now I'm still not seeing it come out. Let's go ahead and check on it. I don't know if it's quite done yet, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So this is how it's looking right here, right? And there's 3 grease traps. There's one, a little exit right there, or I guess there's one trap, but it could fall in there from either side or the center. Now, the lip on the outside of the grill right there, that's a decent little size lip, right? It's all around these sides. However, in the front, before things start falling over into here, it's not as high as that back end right there. So I do kind of have to scrape some of the meat or whatever out of the grease trap, which there's nothing right there. It's not very greasy, which is good. But as I'm trying to chop this up and move it around, I have had to scrape a couple pieces of meat out of there back onto the plate. But besides that, I mean, that's not too much of a problem, but that's the only little thing that I'm pointing out that I kind of have an issue with. Now, outside of that, no problems at all. It made that food delicious for me real quick yesterday. And this one is going just as well today. I like the pieces looking like that. Y'all see that? Let's try to get some more of that on this end, or flip it around. It's probably already like that. Yeah, there we go. Flip this bad boy around. Because we're almost getting to that time, what I'm gonna do is push some of this meat to the side, and we're gonna throw some of these tortillas on the grill. Did I lose a piece of meat behind there? I don't think so. I thought I did though. We're gonna find out when it's time for cleanup. We'll grab some of these Mission Street tortillas right here. Street tacos. If y'all ain't seen these are the corn ones. They also have them in flour, but I prefer the corn. So we're gonna get this. And also, I almost forgot the cheese too. Let me grab that before I throw that on there. Pepper jack cheese. And we're gonna make a quesadilla style chicken taco with the sauce. Wait till I pull out that sauce on y'all. Y'all gonna be jealous. Y'all gonna wanna have a bite through the screen. Unfortunately, YouTube don't got that feature just yet though. But if it did, I'll let y'all have a bite, you feel me? All right. Y'all see what I did there? Ain't too hard, right? Tortilla on the back, cheese on the front. I'm gonna throw some cheese on the top, and this is gonna be one piece right there. Taco in a shell. It's one right there. Let's grab another piece. If y'all ain't had this cheese either, this cheese is pretty fire. I like it. It's worth the price. It's worth the price. I gotta flip these by hand. I prefer it that way. Let's taste this meat real quick. See that little juicy piece? Didn't add no oil. Y'all see the greasy fingers? Very flavorful too. I know y'all want some. Juicy, juicy, baby. Let's go ahead and get to plating them up. All right, we're gonna throw these things on a little sunflower plate real quick. We'll take them both off of here. Grab a little bit of meat. Like little plating. Toss that there. Oh yeah, we want it to fall out the sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Scrape it to the back. Close the lid real quick and let's grab the sauce. Cremosa sauce, cilantro lime, as y'all can see right there. Nice little bottle of this. Did I turn this off all the way? Yeah, I turned it off all the way, but that, no, I didn't. Actually didn't turn it off all the way. So that's a little tip for y'all if y'all got this machine. Don't just turn it to the left. Make sure it clicks when you turn it to the left and the light will actually go off if y'all notice that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, on, off, there it is. Good to go now. Pop the top on this. I don't know if I got a good angle for y'all. Yeah, that's a good angle right there. Let's slide this one over just a little bit for the frame. Make it stay in frame. Just like that. Just like that. That's probably like a little thumbnail action right there. I hope it don't fall off though. Okay, y'all see the grill? Yeah, y'all see it? Y'all see it? All right, let's go ahead and throw some of this on here. Drizzle, drizzle. Let me hit it from the front in this one so y'all can see every little drop. There it is. And that's actually all you need right there. I'm actually gonna sit down and eat, but let me take one little bite right here on camera for y'all. Not that little bite don't count. Plate is burning up on the bottom too. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off if my hands is full though. Oh man, look at that one. Oh, that's a big boy right there. That's a big one right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna cut this camera off, throw on some TV or whatever. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Next time I get hungry, we're gonna throw something on this grill. What should I throw on this grill, man? Again, I got the grill plate and the griddle plate. I done used the griddle twice back to back, but I think I actually need to use the grill plate in the next video. But yeah, bad boy is hitting. Y'all seen how juicy the meat was? Sauce is good. And once again, shout out to Ninja. Y'all can send me a little something, you feel me? I got some other, I ain't about to show y'all everything. I got some other Ninja products though. But yeah, Ninja, shout out to y'all for making it easy. Got this grill sitting right here on the counter. I ain't even gotta go outside, man. You feel me? It's summertime. I'm supposed to be outside, but I also stay in Las Vegas. It's too hot to be out there, man. I need to be indoors. Indoors. Y'all know the rest. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.